Hello and welcome. This is how you disassemble Falcon for flat pack. Say you needed to travel on an airplane or you needed to save some space for whatever reason. This is how you take it apart. First step is remove the flyer and bobbin. We did that in another video, but I'll do it again here. We remove the tension belt. We remove the drive belt. The flyer assembly comes off. And that part's pretty easy. The motor itself just pops out. You just push down with your thumbs. And now to take the frame apart, there is little bolts in each of the four corners and a handy dandy provided wrench. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to loosen each of one of these, maybe one whole rotation. You don't have to take them completely out. And then you should just be able to push them right off. And there's all your pieces.